Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Mini Square is probably one of the most versatile and compact gadgets you can add to your tech arsenal, offering a surprisingly powerful punch in a tiny package, making it an ideal companion for anyone looking to streamline their digital life or add a touch of modern convenience to their workspace without sacrificing precious desk real estate. This little device is designed to impress with its functionality and portability, proving that great things truly do come in small sizes, and it's quickly becoming a must-have for tech enthusiasts and productivity seekers alike. Number 5. Zona 3-inch x 4-inch L square. Crafted from robust 0.022-inch thick stainless steel, this tool is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable performance for all your measuring needs. Achieve accuracy with markings at every 1/32 inch. These fine intervals allow for detailed and precise measurements every time you use it. This versatile tool features measurements on one side and metric equivalents conveniently printed on the back. Get more done with its dual-sided design. Measuring 3 inches by 4 inches, it's the perfect size for a variety of tasks. Its compact form makes it easy to handle and store. Whether you're working on detailed projects or general tasks, this L square is an indispensable addition to your toolkit. Its precision and durability make it a go-to instrument. What we like. This one is made from durable stainless steel, offering precise measurements with metric equivalents. If you need a reliable tool for general measuring tasks and appreciate having both imperial and metric scales readily available, this is a great choice for your workshop. What people say. The Mini Square is a compact and stylish device that fits perfectly on any desk. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate through all the features. The battery life is impressive, lasting for a full day of use on a single charge. Number 4. Woodpeckers Mini Square. Introducing the Woodpeckers Mini Square, a compact woodworking essential made right here in the USA. It's perfect for quick checks and setups on your workbench. With inside dimensions of 1 to 1/8 inch by 2 inch, this tool is specifically engineered to ensure the edge of your cutting tools are perfectly square. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it's incredibly lightweight. The dark red anodized finish not only looks great but also makes it easy to spot any imperfections or gaps. Designed for ultimate portability, it fits comfortably in your pocket or its custom-fitted tray. Its lightweight design means it won't chip your tools either. Just like all Woodpeckers products, this Mini Square is proudly manufactured in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality and reliability for your woodworking projects. What we like. Crafted from lightweight aluminum with a distinct red finish, it's designed for easy gap detection. If you're a woodworker who values precision in checking cutting edges and appreciates a tool that won't chip your workpieces, this pocket-sized option made in the USA is ideal for you. What people say. The Mini Square is a compact and stylish device that fits perfectly on my desk. Its functionality is impressive, with a range of features that make it incredibly versatile. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. Number 3. Groz 010002 Precision Steel Square. Introducing the Groz 01000, a 2-inch precision steel square designed for accuracy in your workshop. It's perfect for everyday use in machinery, carpentry, and woodworking. Experience true right angles with this tool. Its inside and outside edges are precisely machined to ensure perfect 90-degree corners every time. This compact machinist square is ideal for detailed work on smaller workpieces. It boasts an impressive 16-micron squareness for exceptional precision. Both the blade and stock are meticulously ground and lapped. This process guarantees superior straightness and parallelism for reliable measurements. Crafted from selected steel, it features hardened blades securely fixed to the stock. This high-quality construction ensures longevity and consistent performance. What we like. Boasting high accuracy with ground and lapped surfaces, it features hardened blades for lasting precision. If you require a small, highly accurate square for detailed work in machinery, carpentry, or general woodworking, this finely crafted tool ensures straightness and parallelism for your projects. What people say. The Mini Square is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Its sleek, minimalist design blends well with any decor. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 2. Shinwa Sokutei 12101 Curb Scale. Introducing the Shinwa Sokutei 12101 Curb Scale, a compact and versatile measuring tool. Its three-dimensional stainless steel design ensures durability and accuracy for all your needs. Experience unparalleled precision with its right-angle accuracy of less than 0.1 mm per 100 mm. The length tolerance is also remarkably tight, staying under 0.2 mm. This scale features scales on both the front and back, offering flexibility in your measurements. Both sides provide detailed markings for precise readings. The long branches measure up to 10 cm with 1 mm pitch, while the short branches measure 5 cm, also with a 1 mm pitch. This thoughtful design caters to various measuring tasks. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it boasts a uniform thickness for a comfortable and reliable grip. It is built to last. Please note that this tool is not intended for use in environments where there is a risk of electrical contact. Always prioritize safety during use. What we like. This unique three-dimensional square offers high accuracy and includes a convenient table scale. If you work with smaller workpieces and need to measure both inside and outside dimensions with exceptional precision, especially for tasks requiring 1 mm pitch measurements, this is the tool you've been looking for. What people say. Really useful for joinery purposes, especially in conjunction with the Shinwa 62081 and using it like one does a drafting triangle against a T-square. By placing this along the edge of another square you can scribe a line perpendicular to the square blade, that is parallel to the board edge anywhere on the board. This makes for quick layout of mortises and other joinery features. This square is small, thin, and rigid, so not the best tool for trying square edges or by itself scribing lines perpendicular to a board edge. It is however terrific for judging whether the walls of a mortise are square or finding a high spot on a tenon, along with its layout uses. Shinwa quality in a small square. I use this small square for models and crafts where it's the right size. It's accurate and works for any application where you need a small right-angle measurement or alignment. It has a brushed satin finish with etched divisions and numbers in black that is easy to read. Number 1. 90-degree Professional Woodworking Clamping Square Ruler. Introducing a professional positioning ruler designed for woodworking. It ensures perfect 90-degree angles for all your projects. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this tool is built to last. It's hard, corrosion-resistant, and rust-proof, making it incredibly durable. Its small volume makes it easy to handle and store. This ruler won't obstruct your view, allowing for precise straight-line drawing. Beyond measuring, it can be clamped to boxes and frames for squaring during glue-ups. It's a practical tool for both professional and home use. This professional angle ruler adheres to international standards for precision manufacturing. Get accurate measurements every time for your detailed work. Perfect for builders, craftsmen, and DIY enthusiasts. Use it for rafters, doors, window framing, stair layouts, and much more. What we like. Constructed from a durable aluminum alloy, this ruler offers a practical clamping function for assembly. If you're a DIY enthusiast or craftsman looking for a versatile tool to aid in drawing straight lines, ensuring 90-degree angles during glue-ups, or for various layout tasks like framing and stair construction, this is a highly practical choice. What people say. Another cool red mini accurate square to my collection. Expected larger in scale but ideal for small layouts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.